Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to uninstall or remove Edge in Windows 11. Firstly, press the Windows plus R, then type regedit and hit enter. Click yes if prompted by user account control. Now, paste or navigate to this path into registry editor's address bar and press enter. Computer, HKey local machine, software, WoW, 6432 node, Microsoft, Windows, current version Uninstall Microsoft Edge. On the right panel, double-click the known remove. Click and change the value data from 1 to 0, then click OK. This changes unlocks the Uninstall option for Edge in your system settings. Now the option is enabled, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu next to it. Now all you have to do is select Uninstall and confirm. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.